Hello guys, this is day 7 of Advent of Cyber 2 Try Hack Me. So let's get started, and this is day 7, the Wireshark room. So let's start with the questions. So firstly you need to download the files from this place, this blue button, and once you have downloaded it, so I have downloaded it in my music directory, and then you need to extract it here, and as you can see that's done. And let me open Wireshark. So right now I've opened Wireshark, and to open the file you need to go to File, open the name of the directory, and just open that whichever file you want. So as of the first question, open pcap1, that's done. And what is the IP address which initiates the ICMP? So to initiate, it might have done a request, because that is how it starts. So there was a request, there was a reply, there was a request, there was a reply. So the one who initiated is the one who started it, the one who started the request. The source for that guy is the one who initiated it. So as you can see, the source clearly says over here is 10.11.3.2. So 10.11.3.2, that's right. And as of the second one, I need to do http get request. So http dot request dot method equal to get. Maybe let's try this. That's right. And this is how to see. This is just a filter, like how to use the filter, that's all there is. There's no question along with this. And now I'll apply this filter to find FTP. It doesn't say FTP. Okay, fine. It says find the article at this place. Okay, so to find the item, there's IP address which we need to find. So I'll type ip.addr. It's a filter to find IP address, and it will search for the IP address. So that guy visited an article, so he might use a get request. So for example, he got this image name as icon.png. Just like that, he might have used a get request to get that file also. So I can actually combine this thing with the second question which we did, http dot request req dot get dot method equal to get. Okay, I don't know why I'm not getting that. Okay, fine, just let me just look for it. Anyways, I can just go here in file, I can click on export objects. As you can see, all of this was exported. Nothing here, maybe. Okay, I'll just need to keep on looking. Okay, there was a get over here, get over here, get over here. Actually, it should work. Equal to get. I have no idea why that is not working. Is it because of capital get? Okay, it was because of capital get. Oh my god, so just remember that also, it might be helpful. To this thing. Okay, so that get thing was capital, it wasn't supposed to be small. That is why we are getting this errors. Okay, so now out of all of these, now it has been like a very short listed, and now I guess we can easily find. So the one which we need to find is this one, reindeer of the week. because it looks like an article, other looks like font and bundles and CSS. So I guess the answer is this one, REIND dash OF dash THE dash week. Actually I should have seen the hint, it says posts, so I can just search for posts. See, it might have made my job easier. Now let's open PCAP2. So file, open PCAP2, and obviously let me remove the filter, and I need to look for FTP ports. So TCP dot port equal to 21, that's where FTP usually runs. And out of all of this I need to find what? Okay, I need to find the password. Okay, can I just click on a random request maybe and follow TCP user anonymous, and he did some task. Okay, so we have lots of requests, as you can see. I will need to find the one which contains the password. So let's start from the start, because I guess welcome to, okay, this might be the one because it says welcome to something. Nope. Is it this one? Okay, let's see. Okay, it says this one looks something good because it says user elf mixkd, and there was a response, please specify the password, and so this might be something where you might have sent the response. Yep, here it is. So user was lmixkd and the password was this weird characters. That's it. And the hint was okay, fine. Yeah. So continue with the PCAP2. What is the name of the protocol that is encrypted? So obviously all of you know that SSH is encrypted only. So the answer is SSH. Out of all of these, FTP and all of this, this is now PCAP3. File, open PCAP3, and what is on Milk City's wish list that he wishes to replace. So I guess this is like a list. So let me just go to file, objects, HTTP, and there are these two things which are there. So one of this, let me click on this, follow, and one of this is like website. It might be saying something. And let's open the second one. Clearly you can see that there was a transfer of zip file which was captured by Wireshark. So obviously we can just go and we can save the zip file to ourselves. So I'll save this in this music directory, close this, and I'll go to music and extract here, and we have it. So this is the wish list which says rubber ducky to replace elf McKeeger. So the answer is rubber ducky, and the hint says that to use a filter. Yeah, it kind of, maybe it wasn't a filter exactly, but I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.